Hey y'all, thank you guys for swinging by, clicking by with the thumb. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below to our channel. This is Muscle Car Social, and today we were here last year. We're back in Sumner, Washington, the Sumner Cruise. We're gonna check out some vehicles here in Sumner, Washington again. Decided to come down, have some free time, and see if we can capture some cool vehicles. So please enjoy. We're just gonna go, and I'm just gonna mount the camera to my car, and we're gonna go around and see if we can find some cool vehicles, maybe even talk to some people. So please enjoy. Thank you, and here we go. Everybody, so yeah, it's getting dark, but hey man, people are just like, they're just starting to show up here. This is a pretty happening place, so let's check out some of these cars and talk to some of these people. Sorry about the image, but you know, it's dark, but I want to bring you guys some cars, and that's what this is about. Right, hand out over here, nice truck. Yeah, so what can you tell me about your car, man?
It's just a 64 Galaxy that has a factory 390.
Oh, it's factory, huh?
Yep, factory engine. I did Sniper fuel injection, Wheelwood brakes, Rinmer wheels, Dakota digital dash.
Oh, okay.
Kept everything else factory for the most part.
Okay.
Powder coated all the crazy.
Wow.
Got rid of the bumpers, you know. 6 piston calipers up front, 4 pistons in back.
Wow. How long did it take you to get this together?
About 6 months.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Paint and all that. What did it look like?
I bought it painted.
Oh, okay. Say
Yeah,
6
the
months.
black and the gray already done.
Yeah. So, were you here last year?
I'm here all the time.
All the time, okay.
Yeah, I'm here all the time.
So, do they have this every weekend, every other
Once
week?
a month.
Jeez.
Once a month in the summertime.
I thought
And
just,
actually, Puyallup has theirs once a month during the summertime.
yeah, I was out there last year, but I was thinking this is like a yearly thing, but no, it's like once a month.
It's a monthly thing in the
it's
summer,
like,
yeah.
It's a freaking party,
Yeah,
huh?
it's just fun.
Wow.
The darker it gets, the more stupid people get. It's kind of fun.
So it's not till 9.
There'll be cars around for another hour or so after 9,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah. Well, man, thank you, man, for showing us your car.
We got a resto shop out in Fife.
What is it? Shout
Stickers
out.
on the back window.
Shout out to.
Shout out for old cars.
Okay.
That's the name of the company, Old Cars.
Old cars.
The pictures on the back window.
Oh, I'll check it out.
Put it on the website.
I got you, man. I got you. All right, everybody, check out Old Cars if you want to get some work done, some restoration done to your car. Old Cars, check them out.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. See you later.
Yeah. Stingray. Is this your vehicle, sir?
The guy behind in the white t-shirt, that's his car.
Oh, okay.
His name's Tony.
Wow.
Maybe I just talked to somebody else about it. They'll do the better
Yeah, so this is a yearly, actually a monthly thing. So there's some beautiful cars out here. Wow. This vet. Here you go, PR. It's for you.
What's funny is, so, the whole deal.
Yeah, so this is a monthly party. All right, I'm gonna go out to the streets and we'll go look at some more cars, guys. I don't have a cameraman, so I'm the cameraman. Oops, excuse me. All right. Don't want to block the view here. Alright. How you doing?
Good.
So are you here a lot? Are you here
This is the first time this year,
right?
but I came several times last year.
Okay. This is my second time. Yeah, I didn't know they had this.
Well, see, the first Friday of every month they have this in
Oh, okay.
the third week, I think. So it's here on Saturday night.
second week since Puyallup.
Well, I started a YouTube channel and I just like throwing muscle cars.
Yeah.
I call it Muscle Car Social because it's socializing and I like muscle cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sumner, Muscle Car Social.
Oh yeah.
I can always edit. I have a YouTube channel, so I got.
And then there's like once or twice a month at Binford Metals up in Kent. They have a thing on Friday night too where they have a burnout pit.
Oh, there was something like they had something like that today.
Well, yeah. Or it was Friday.
Friday, okay, yeah. Yeah, I want to take my car in the course
What
there.
kind of car you got?
I have a modern 392 Super Boost.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, but I want to. Thank you guys for joining me for another episode of Muscle Car Social. Let me fix my camera here. So, yep, it's been a long, fun day, and I hope you guys see some cool vehicles. I just wanted to show you something, get some content up. And again, PR will be with me in probably our next episode. He's off doing a project. So, until then, we'll see you at the next light.